You have spent 3 hours editing the perfect product photo. Your title is bursting with keywords. You even whispered sweet nothings to the Etsy algorithm. But still, shoppers visit your listing and leave it like a haunted house. Why? Because you are not selling a product. You are selling a moment of trust. And right now, your listing is breaking it. Today, we dissect exactly why people leave your Etsy listing without buying and give you fixes based on cold, hard data. Hi, I'm Neha. I'm the co founder of Listadum, a product manager, a digital marketer, and your friendly Etsy seller. The 7-second trap. Your Etsy listing has 7 seconds to convince a shopper to stay. That's it. Users leave web pages in 10 to 20 seconds, but the first few seconds are the most crucial. That means if your thumbnails looks like a screenshot from 2010 phone, they are gone. If your title reads like boho, modern, rustic, neutral, earth toned candle vibes, they are confused and they bounce. How do you fix this? Use a clean close up image as your first thumbnail, ideally in use, like a lifestyle shot. Etsy confirms this increases conversion. Your title isn't for you, it's for the lazy scrollers. So instead of boho rustic wall art, write neutral printable wall art, 8 by 10 instant download. You have all the information that they need within a second. Description detox. Most Etsy sellers write description like they are scared of commitment. No sizing info, no care instructions, no story, no emotions. And here's the thing, 88% of users say that detailed product content is extremely important to their buying decision. So how do you fix this? I know Etsy doesn't allow formatting, but you can try. Add the most important bullet points first. Etsy shoppers don't read, they skim. Cover the 5 magic questions. What is it? Who is it for? How do I use it? What size it is and what it is made of. And don't forget the origin story. A 2020 Etsy seller survey showed buyers are 30% more likely to convert if they feel a personal connection with the seller, the host of trust. You know what's scarier than no reviews? One review that says, item never arrived, seller never responded. Trust on Etsy is a currency, and shoppers are broke until you prove them wrong. So, how do you fix this? Set clear processing and shipping timelines. Don't say one day if you're going to ship it in 5. Don't rely on Etsy's auto estimates. Actually, calculate your shipping time based on your own logistics. Listings without transparent shipping info saw 25% fewer conversions. Show review photos. Ask your customers for a review within the 100-day period. But be mindful because Etsy is already bombarding them with tons of emails to review your product. But a small message asking them kindly will take you a long way. Use Listadum's Shop Explorer to spot the trust gaps in your competitors and fix it in your own listing before your buyers bounce. You are guessing, data isn't. Etsy gives you shop stats and you ignore it like an unread gym membership. But data is screaming. Hey bestie, your top listing has 1,000 views and only one sale. Something's broken. So how do you fix this? Check your conversion rate. Calculate it by number of sales, divide by number of views. Anything less than 1%, it's time to try a new strategy. Run an A/B test. Make slight variations in 2 listings, maybe a different thumbnail image, a flat lay image, and test to see which one converts better. Some pro sellers even use 5 to 6 variations. Use Listadum's listing analyzer to check for click-through rates and see which listing and which variation is performing the best. Etsy doesn't have a built-in A/B testing mechanism, but you can use it by duplicating your listings. Use Listadum's listing manager to track what's actually working, from tag performance to image CTR. And the final spark. You did everything right and they still don't buy. Maybe they are not ready. So your job here is to plant a magnet in their mind. How do you fix this? Enable Etsy favoriting. Enable the favoriting coupons and add a CTA to your images, prompting them to favorite your listing. Etsy pushes saved items more often. Use scarcity. Only 2 left in stock. Lower inventory boosts urgency. Add a CTA to your description. Still deciding? No worries, favorite this listing to get a coupon. Come back to check again new inventory we launch every week. Etsy isn't about being seen, it's about being trusted enough to be clicked, explored, and bought. If you want more data driven Etsy fixes, not just fluff, subscribe to Listadum. And if you want us to roast your listing and actually help it convert, leave your shop name in the comments or reach out to us via one of our communities mentioned in the description. We might just feature you next.